The question is, what can you cook on a big green egg? Well, the real question should be, what can't you cook on a big green egg? We've cooked everything you could imagine. I personally have cooked hot stuff, cool stuff. I've smoked things. I've cooked on planks. I've cooked everything. Seriously, the big green egg is great at grilling, roasting, smoking, and baking. Sear steaks really hot on the grill, hot as you could want them. Bake pizzas, put the convector in and a pizza stone, you've got a really good pizza oven. The holiday turkey is always a hit inside the big green egg. Smoke a brisket, nothing better than that. Cook on a plank. We cook planked salmon and other seafood, but sometimes I'll put a pork tenderloin on the plank too. Don't be limited to what you think you can do. Grill veggies on the big green egg, of course, desserts, cobblers. At the end of the day, everybody's favorite is barbecued ribs. I mean, all those different things you cook on the big green egg. That's why we call it the ultimate cooking experience.